Hey, this is some guy named Chris, and today I want to go over a quick little tidbit on giving you a stoplight within Power BI. Share up my screen and show you what we use for Opal. And what we have here is a report layout that we actually use a budget of red, yellow, and green to determine how we're doing on projects. Simple. Red, behind on budget. Yellow, less than 20% remaining. Green, we're good. The way we build this, I'll show you inside of Power BI Desktop, is we built a simple calculated column that does a switch, and if the open budget hours remaining is less than 0, this is the trick. It's a unit car 128308. If our remaining budget over the hours is less than 20%, we use unit car 128993. Otherwise, it's green and we use 128994. This simple way allows us to very quickly and easily see which projects we need to review for budget and which ones we don't. I hope this helps. You can do different sizes of these, put them into columns, put them outside. Let me know what you think below. Thanks.